This Korean mask helps with aging skin, dull, uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation, and acne. It's easy to make, and you only need 3 ingredients. Bookmark this recipe so you don't lose it. Start with 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Rice flour is amazing for gentle exfoliation and brightening your skin. It helps remove dead skin cells, revealing a smoother and more radiant complexion. Next, add 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Yogurt is packed with lactic acid, which not only exfoliates, but also tightens pores and evens out your skin tone. Now, drizzle a little bit of honey. Honey is a natural humectant, so it draws moisture into your skin, keeping it hydrated and glowing. It's also great for its antibacterial properties, which can help fight acne. Finally, add water gradually until you form a paste. Not too thick, not too runny, just right. Apply this mask to a clean face, let it sit for 30 minutes, then rinse off. If you like more natural skincare remedies, type, "Yes, I need more."